So the problem is 9x square plus 16y square equal to 144. Find all parts of ellipse. So standard, first you writing as standard form of ellipse. That is x square by a square y square by b square equal to 1. సో ఇక్కడ 1 రావాలి కాబట్టి ఏం చేస్తామంటే డివైడెడ్ బై 144 వస్తాం. ఇక్కడ 1 ఉండాలి కాబట్టి డివైడెడ్ బై 144 డివైడెడ్ బై 144 9x square by 144 plus 16y square by 144 is equal to 1. 144 divided by 144, the value equal to 1. So that is nothing but x square by ఈ వాల్యూ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. So this is nothing but x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. A square value equal to 16, from that a equal to 4, b square equal to 9, from that b equal to 3. So therefore here what is the condition? A is greater than b. So a value అనేది పెద్దది. So కాబట్టి the ellipse is in x axis and this is nothing but the ellipse is in x axis. That is okay. This is center. The ellipse is in x axis. First we find the center. That is c equal to x comma y equal to, so taken as this is a 1. So ఇది మనకు మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఎక్స్ పక్కన ఏం వాల్యూస్ లే కాబట్టి ద సెంటర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0, 0. సెకండ్ మేజర్ యాక్సిస్, this is nothing but major axis is nothing but x axis. It is x axis, nothing but y equal to 0, nothing but y equal to 0. So length of major axis, so nothing but it is nothing but 2a, 2 into a value, the a value equal to 4, then we get 8. Next, length of minor axis, length of minor axis, that is nothing but 2b, that is nothing but 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So the minor axis, what is the minor axis? So minor axis is nothing but y axis, nothing but x equal to 0. And next we do that next we written as coordinates of vertices. Coordinates of vertices. So nothing but a equal to plus or minus a comma 0. That is plus or minus a value 0, 4 comma 0. this is equal to x comma y. Point x equal to plus or minus 4, y equal to 0, this value. And next eccentricity. E square equal to 1 minus b square by a square. This is equal to 1 minus b square value 9 by 16. Nothing but 16 minus 9 by 16. ఎంత అవుతుంది 7 by 16. 7 by 16. So E equal to root of 7 by 16. Nothing but root 7 by 4. The E value equal to root 7 by 4. Next focus. This is equal to, this is S equal to plus or minus AE comma 0. So we need to find that AE. That is AE equal to A value 4 into E root 7 by 4. 4 4 cancel. Root 7. The AE value equal to root 7. Therefore S equal to plus or minus root 7 comma 0. Next equation of latus rectum. This is x equal to plus or minus AE. This is x equal to plus or minus AE value equal to root 7. So therefore equation nothing but one value equal to x equal to root 7, another value equal to x equal to minus root 7. Then we get that x minus root 7 equal to 0 and x plus root 7 equal to 0. So this is the equation. So equation of latus rectum. So రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్ వస్తాయి మనకు. నెక్స్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ డైరెక్ట్రిక్స్. Equation of directrix, nothing but x equal to plus or minus a by e. Directrix is nothing but a by e. We find that a by e nothing but a value 4 by e value root 7 by root 4. Substitute the a value and e value. We get that root 16 by root 7. So from that x equal to plus or minus 16 by root 7. ఒక వాల్యూ రాస్తాం ప్లస్ 60 minus root 16. So we get that equation is root 7x minus 16 equal to 0. Root 7x plus 16 equal to 0. Next, length of latus rectum LLR nothing but 2b square by a. B square value 9. A value is equal to 4. A value equal to 4. 2 1 jar 2 2 jar. We get that 9 by 2. The value equal to 9 by 2. And distance between focus. Focus nothing but 2 AE. This is nothing but 2 AE. AE value equal to root 7. That is 2 into root 7. Distance between directrix. Two into A by E. 2 into A by E. A by E value equal to 16 by root 7. Nothing but 32 by root 7. సో ఈ విధంగా ఏం చేస్తామంటే మనం అన్ని వాల్యూస్ కనుక్కుంటాం. సో జస్ట్ ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఈ ఫార్ములా, దట్ ఈస్ 9x² plus 16y² equal to 144. This can be written in standard form, nothing but x² by a² plus y² by b² is equal to 1. ఈ మోడల్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే మనకేమొచ్చిందంటే x² by 16 plus y² by 9 equal to 1. So we compare that a² equal to 16 and b² equal to 9. From that a equal to 4 and b equal to 3. nothing but 4 is greater than 3. So the ellipse is in x axis. సో ఈ పాయింట్లో మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఫస్ట్ సెంటర్ కనుక్కుంటాము. ఫస్ట్ సెంటర్ కనుక్కుంటాము. దిస్ ఈజ్ సెంటర్. నెక్స్ట్ మేజర్ యాక్సిస్, మైనర్ యాక్సిస్. దిస్ ఆర్ ది ఏ కోఆర్డినేట్స్, ఏ డాష్. దిస్ ఈజ్ nothing but a focus. So this is nothing but a latus rectum, LR. Length of latus rectum is nothing but a 2b square by a. And this is nothing but a directrix, M dash. This is M. And దీని మధ్య దూరం, distance between directrix, distance between latus rectum, లెంత్ ఆఫ్ లాటస్ రెక్టమ్ వాల్యూస్ కనుక్కుంటాం. మెయిన్ ఫార్ములాస్ రాయడము, సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయడం.